Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product analysis and reviews.
Today, we're diving into the world of high-performance gaming PCs with the MPG Velox by MSI.
Strap in, because this is not your average gaming rig.
In fact, we dare say, it's the best PC RTX 3080 available in the market right now.
Now, let's talk specs.
At its core, the MPG Velox is powered by an Intel Core i7-11700F8 core processor, boasting a clock speed of 2.5 GHz, with a turbo boost up to 4.9 GHz. Paired with a whopping 32 GB of DDR4 3200 MHz RAM, this machine is built to handle anything you throw at it. But let's not forget the star of the show, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 graphics card, armed with 10 GB of GDDR6 memory. Whether you're tackling the latest AAA titles or diving into the world of VR gaming, the RTX 3080 delivers unparalleled performance and breathtaking visuals.
Storage-wise, you're covered with a 512 GB NVMe SSD for lightning-fast boot times and application loading, plus a spacious 3 TB HDD for all your game libraries, media files, and more. And with Windows 11 Home pre-installed, you'll experience a seamless and modern computing environment right out of the box. Now, let's talk about the design.
The MPG Velox features ARGB high airflow fans, not only keeping your system cool under heavy loads but also adding a touch of flair to your gaming setup. And let's not forget about the included accessories. A wired LED backlit USB gaming keyboard and mouse, perfect for diving into your favorite games right away.
Worried about reliability? Fear not.
The MPG Velox comes backed by a 3-year CUK limited warranty, ensuring peace of mind for years to come.
And with a price tag of just $1,299.99, this powerhouse of a gaming PC offers incredible value for the performance it delivers. And there you have it, folks.
The MPG Velox by MSI Gaming Desktop, the best PC RTX 3080 on the market. With its top-of-the-line specs, stunning design, and unbeatable price, it's a no-brainer for any serious gamer looking to elevate their gaming experience.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Until next time, happy gaming!